What's up, y'all? It's time to clean.
It is Christmas Eve, but the house is a disaster, as you can see, because we're in the middle of moving and we didn't do the dishes last night or really clean up last night. And David's mom is coming into town, so I got a lot to do.
Starting off first with cleaning myself because I cannot clean if I don't feel clean. Also, peep these nails. I'm thinking of doing a whole year of Timu nails because press-ons are the vibe. Even though this house is so old, clutter doesn't take long at all to heat up. But you do have these weird knobs where like the right one is the cold and the left one is the hot, which did take some getting used to, but once you get the hang of it, it's not that bad. However, we do probably need to replace all of the stuff inside this bathroom because it is not covered properly. So there's a high chance that there's like mold underneath all of the stuff. So stay tuned for renovation. Next thing I do after I shower is let the dogs out.
Got a nice tree. Finally enjoyed being outside. The stickers bother them, but hopefully we'll be able to get rid of them soon. She is staring at the donkeys next door because our next door neighbor has horses and donkeys. All right, time to go inside, everybody. Good boys. This is like the door to our room. It's so broken and weird. Like you can't close the door all the way or we like get locked in unless you turn everything to the left. There's so many boxes still to unpack. You get a sticker in your hand. Let me see. Sometimes they get stickers from outside. Lippy's got one right there. I'm gonna take it out. Got it. Be free. Into the trash can. Actually gotta put a lot of stuff in the trash can today. We did install a dishwasher though, so I'm gonna take advantage of that. I just have to unload what was in there last time. At first I was having some trouble with this dishwasher that I got, but I think I figured it out. Well, I actually haven't figured it out yet, but I figured out how to leave everything in there so it dries. I really need to look at the manual and figure out how to actually do it properly because I have no idea how to work it. Where's this? My favorite. I learned the best way to clean things in this house is to just do it one room at a time because there's so many boxes everywhere of things that I need to unpack still and it's chaotic if I don't. So I usually will pick one task, like the dishes, get that all done, and then I move on to the next task, like the trash or something. Okay, so I did take a quick pause and put my contacts on just because I see so much better with them than my glasses. I don't know why they're the same prescription. I may go get a face mask on too at some point. But right now, let's just focus on finishing the kitchen before I get distracted. We don't actually have a light in here. I have this LED strip going across because well, what you heard is the fact that the dishwasher has not been bolted in yet and my dog was sniffing, which you should know better, but it's okay. One thing at a time. Hopefully we'll get this bolted in this week because it's just sliding around right now and it's a pain in my butt. We'll just close it so that doesn't happen. And we lost the dish, so we gotta wash this. Don't get me started on what they did to the floor. Not the dogs, but the people who owned the house before. A lot of the fixes that they did were kind of not properly done. I think maybe because they were getting older and just tired of dealing with it. No one had lived in this house for 2 to 3 years before we moved in. But anyway, let's get back to cleaning. I'm still learning on where to put everything to make the kitchen functional. But cleaning supplies for the most part have kind of just gone down here. You can see, I don't know why there's ranch there. I don't even know where that came from. I have to take that out at some point. But you can see they literally just took this floor and laid it on top of this other floor. And that was it. That's how they fixed the floor. So now I have to deal with that. But since it's a cosmetic issue, I kind of pushed it to the back. At first when we moved in, we also had some mice. So I always do my best to bottle these things up and not leave them out on the counter. But David has a little bit of trouble remembering, so I have to put these cookies away for him. Bad, David, bad. I have this tin that I keep cookies in. For now, it's just like a little piece of Tupperware. I just try to keep everything sealed. I haven't seen another mouse pretty much since we moved in, but just to be safe, I don't want to attract anything else, especially since it's wintertime and we live on 5 acres that are completely like untouched. God knows what's out there. So I'm just gonna wipe this counter down and then I will put these guys in our snack box. I have no idea what these counters are like actually made out of. But when I first got here, I did a deep clean and did like bleach. But now I do Dawn dish soap and just wipe it real quick. Because I'm trying to do like what's important first and then not worry too much about the rest. Our honey jar. I honestly never even used this honey jar. I bought it thinking it was so cute and that I was gonna use it, but I haven't used it really. This is where I keep like our excess oil. If we use something and I feel like we can refry, or I'm gonna refry the same thing in it, then I will keep the oil, but I gotta clean it now. Okay, this doesn't even go in this room. I'm not sure why it's in here. David probably started working on it and then got fed up with it, so we're gonna trash these things. Just wiped it on this counter. And then I'm just gonna dry everything off with a paper towel. So it's nice and clean. And although I do hate this old sink, I do love that they have this little spray thing because it makes cleaning a lot easier. We don't have a garbage disposal, so we use this to catch any food remains. Not too bad of a before and after. Just need to come back, take the trash out, and fix the floor up. But we're gonna leave the floor for later. I'll take the trash for now. I don't have to walk very far. The trash can is literally right by the door. Got a package. I seriously need to watch the manual on this. I have no idea how to use it, but I just started it. Hopefully it does what it needs to do. Last part of the kitchen other than the floor is like this counter. So I'm gonna start with the trash because I'm overwhelmed by it. I was putting some things because of baby stuff here. I'm gonna take a picture today. Usually I work in buckets where I don't have to leave the room to take stuff to another room. And also sorry, if I'm hospital boxes and stuff, I just put it away. So this was an entertainment center that was left behind by the people who used to own this house, and we are turning it into like this dog storage bin, where we hang like the harnesses and the leashes and stuff on the doors. And I can't wait till it's done, but we're not anywhere near done yet. And so for now, we're just putting all the dog stuff in there. Another category of items I am seeing in this bin is bathroom stuff, so we're gonna take that, and I think this goes with that baby thing, so I'm gonna take this. Actually, I don't know what this goes to, so I'm gonna leave this with the tool stuff. I don't have a lot of bathroom storage right now in the bathrooms because we just haven't gotten there yet, but this is where we've been like putting all the excess like bathroom stuff. So for now, I'm just gonna stick this in here, and eventually I'll get like a bucket and put like medicine and things like that. Pretty much the rest of the counter is all of David's tools, so I'm gonna put them all in a bag and then move them into the like washer room with this because I don't really know what to do with this yet. The other owner left it and I just haven't figured out what I want to do with it yet. How's your neck? Put that down right there for now. And just put this. And that's it. If you like this kind of video, hit the button and I'll see you in the next one.